Welcome back. It's time now for the financial week. The Bank of Jamaica reduced the benchmark rate from 7% per annum to 5.75% per annum. Although another rate decision is expected in 5 months, commercial banks have yet to reduce their interest rates. President of the Small Business Association, Garnet Reid, weighed in on the issue.
The next move from the BOJ, they will continue their lobby. We in the private sector, we continue our lobby. I have met with some of the commercial banks. And while there is a willingness to reduce the interest rate, I think everything to have with management and directors and all of that. So no doubt, Ralston, I think they're going to reduce the interest rate. I really, really believe so. I believe that there's a willingness to help the micro, small, and medium-sized enterprise. So I'm waiting. I'm waiting with my breath, hoping that it will be done.
He was speaking at the Realign conference held recently. The JSE Select Index advanced by 1,350 points, while the Junior Market Index increased by 19 points. The winners included Cigna's Credit Investments Limited Ordinary Shares, Jamaica Public Service Company Limited 7%, Omni Industries, Cigna's Credit Investments 10%, and Pulse Investments. The losers were led by Berger Paints Jamaica, Lasco Manufacturing Limited, Indies Pharma Jamaica Ordinary Shares, Caribbean Cement, and the Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited US dollar shares. 26 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange traded ended with Banks and Campbell selling the US dollar for an average $106.82. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $118.24. The pound is going for $219.78, while the euro is selling for an average $190.56. And that's it for the financial week. Stand by for news from overseas after the break.